well, we got some other stuff on it still. But we're gonna get those wheels changed out. And we're that was really loud and like that. First thing we're gonna do is, amongst all my research, we went to Harbor Freight and we got some stuff, metric and in. We also bought the battery and the charger. I decided to go with the power because we've got a lot more. We already opened the battery.
What wheels did we get? They're sitting right here.
Found out that unfortunately we're not going to get the wheels, getting the body all tore off. Maybe we'll go ahead and put the wheels on there just to have them body kit off. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with the roof. Top off of it now. Let's get it done. And the next step is let's disconnect the batteries so we don't get zapped when we're in the back. These should be coming out. Got everything loose now. A few little push pins in there, so I gotta pull that out. Otherwise, you get a plate. There's 2 more rivets. We are clear. Now that we've got the body off, oh no, not too bad.